Okay, so creating a blog in a WordPress website. Notice that we're on the pages um, part of the back end of the dashboard for WordPress, and I've used Add New to create a new page called the Scruffy Blog. Here's the front page of this website, uh, but what we want is a blog page, and we're not going to use the blog as the front page. So that's why I need two pages. Notice that I've titled it, and I made sure that this permalink up here, instead of it says thescruffysaga.com, if the permalink was / the scruffy blog, it would be a bit redundant. So I've just shortened that to blog, Scruffy Saga blog, and then I'm going to leave it blank. Now I will come down here to the meta description information here, and that's all I'm going to do for now. Just to get it started, that meta description is going to show on the search page as the description of search. Hopefully that's the idea, and that's you're telling Google that's what I want to see there. So I'm going to put this in the author's name, and I'm going to publish it. Once it's published, I can go back to the dashboard. But again, that's just a blank page. I want to go to Appearance, and I want to come down here to Customize, and then I'm going to look for the homepage settings. Notice that the Scruffy Saga, this page is the home page, but it asks me where do you want your post page. I'll select the Scruffy blog. And once I publish that, it's going to take me back to the dashboard. So I want to go take a look and make sure this all came out okay. So again, here's my home page. And I just want to show you one other thing here that's important. Had I chosen differently at the home page displays, if I chose your latest posts, then that blog page would be the front page of my website. But in this case, we don't want that. We want the home page to be a static page, which is the Scruffy Saga. Okay, and it's that simple. However, now I don't have anything on my blog. And let me go, if I go to scruffysaga.com / blog, notice that there is a blog there, but hold it, there's no content. That's because no posts have been written. So in order to get some posts going, there's a difference between pages and posts. Pages are all about me, the Scruffy Saga, contact me. That is static material that doesn't change unless you change it. Posts, though, we can go check out the posts. I did a draft here that's not published yet, just as an example. But I'm going to add new post. I'm going to add the title. I'm going to start writing here. This new WordPress is great once you get used to it. I'm going to be sure to put a, don't worry, this document title, typically your title here, you want to keep down here. So typically you don't worry about that. But you do want to always add that meta description that is going to be the descriptive part that people see when they, so let's do a search on Brightworks Press. Here's Rod's Collins. Notice that here's the title of the page. That's his home page. And here is a description. This is the material that Rod put in this meta description part. If you don't put something in there, then the search engines will figure out for themselves what to put there. This is the way to control what searchers see. And why is that important? Because it's just like when you're writing an article, the first thing they're going to see is your title, and then the next thing they're going to see is this description. So that will they'll decide whether they want to read whatever you've written or not according to the title and description typically. Okay, so you do a title, you write your post, you add your meta description. I like adding meta keywords. It's not all that important, but it's good stuff. Don't worry about the rest of this typically. and you know, you can publish. If you want to use drop caps, you can. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that is how you get going. We're not going to do anything here. So this author, Susan, just needs to go add a new post and start writing. Okay, see you soon.